Welcome to part 3 of this 5-part series of how to start a web design agency using GoHighLevel. In the previous 2 videos, we went through an introduction and some of the benefits of starting a web design agency using GoHighLevel, getting our GoHighLevel account set up, optimizing our website, and then niching down and defining services. Video 3 is one of the most important, if not the most important in this series. What we will be covering is a variety of different outreach strategies which you can implement to get your first paying customer. If at any point in this video you find any of the content useful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so I can carry on making these videos. If you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with video 3. Video 3 is going to be focusing on different client outreach strategies. The first thing that you do need to understand is that every niche is different and the way you are going to be contacting these business owners is going to be different. For example, reaching out to a roofer is going to be completely different to how you reach out to someone who's in real estate or is a realtor. That's the first thing that you do need to understand. The second thing that you need to understand is that it's all to do with consistency. The more consistent you are in outreaching to customers or business owners, the more likely chance you have of getting your first customer. The different strategies that we're going to be discussing in this video are referrals and leveraging your network, some cold outreach, and then paid ads. You do want to do it from top to bottom, as the top is the most easiest and cost effective, and then cold outreach is a bit more difficult and a bit more expensive. And then paid ads is the most difficult and the most expensive. The first thing you can start looking at to get your first client are referrals and also leveraging your network. This is going to be different for every single person, so make sure that you do focus on this first of all, as it is going to be the easiest to get your first client. What you should be doing first of all is reaching out to all your family and friends. The reason this is going to be the easiest to get your first client is because the people should already trust you. So that is already one hurdle that you have overcome. The second thing that you can start looking at is leveraging existing connections. So this is going to be people outside of your family and friends that you may know, who may be some sort of acquaintance who you can possibly pitch to update their website and help them with their digital footprint. The final thing is past colleague. If you was working for someone or you do know someone starting a business, there's no harm in reaching out to them and offering them some of your services. The reason this is going to be the easiest strategy is, one, it doesn't require too much effort on your end, and also is very, very cost effective. It is as simple as contacting some of them and offering to build them a website. I wouldn't suggest doing it for free. However, I would suggest doing it at a discounted rate so you can get some good testimonials and good reviews from these people. Once you have done this, the next thing that we want to focus out is on cold outreach. The 3 main ways this can occur is via cold calling, cold emailing, or even social media DMs. And the way you can increase the success of this is by crafting a pitch, personalized messaging, and also following up professionally. A rough target that you want to be hitting every day for cold calling is 50 to 100 cold calls per day. For cold emailing, you want to do at least 500 to 1,000 emails per day. And then for social media DMs, you do want to be doing anywhere from 30 to about 50 DMs per day. When deciding what cold outreach method to do, you want to think about what's going to be the easiest way that you can contact the business owner. And the second thing you want to think about is which one you can maintain. Once you do generate some money for your business, you can outsource and automate some of these processes. In some future videos, I will be going through each one of these in much more detail and then how to optimize and get the best results from each one. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out. The final thing that we want to discuss is paid ads. I wouldn't advise going to paid ads initially, as it can be quite expensive and you want to work on optimizing your business first of all. When it comes to paid ads, the main thing you want to do is make it as targeted as possible. So if you are going to realtors, then making sure that the wording and the imaging and everything that's in this ad is for realtors. The next thing that we want to discuss is budgeting basics. When you are starting a new ad, what I would advise is spending anywhere from $20 to $50 per day just to test it out. The final thing that you want to do is constantly test. So test new images, new creatives, new copy. You want to keep doing this until you have paid ads dialed in. Hopefully this video has given you an overview of a variety of different outreach strategies. Again, there is not one size fits all, so you have to test which method is going to work best for you. And then secondly, focus on the strategy which I have mentioned. First, try leverage your network, then go to some sort of cold outreach method, and then once you have everything dialed in, then focus on paid ads. I will be going through cold outreach and paid ads in much more detail in future videos. Make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss out. And again, if you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Hopefully I'll see everyone safe and sound for the next one. Take care.